Hi folks, I have a surface grinder to build, so let's get on with it. So if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll already know what I'm planning. So these are all the parts that I've got. This is the most important part. Okay, it's got 5 bearing rollers on, and it's got this this channel here with these steel roller guides on it. This adjusting table will go onto there, and that will go onto there. So these magnets will be going on here. I've got to cut these and fix them on. And I've got this, I bring this to our local big box store, as we call it here, Bunnings. It's just a piece of galvanised steel, 30 by 30. So let's come over to the grinder and let's just start planning this. Alright, let's just see. So how I'm going to use this is turn this over. Let's just come a little closer. The wheel I've got on order is going to be a much deeper wheel, 75mm, this is 50. So there we go. So that should work out pretty good. So I've got to take this apart. Got a brass plate on there, which is fantastic. There we go. So these two holes here line up, just about see that, but the ones over this side don't. So I'm going to have to drill through here and tap that out. Well, that's it for tonight. At least I've started the modification process, got this one on. Obviously I've got to fix this to that, and then that in turn will fix back onto here, so then that assembly part will be done as well. But let's carry on tomorrow. Alright, so continuing on with this morning, you can see where I left off. Okay, stage 1 completed. So that's it for part 1. I'll see you again very soon in part 2.